So I got the roof done. I got that watertight with Tyvek and stuff. It's just temporary, but it's watertight, so that's all that matters. So I used up all the insulation I had. Well, actually I ran out of staples, so I can't really do much more. I brought in this flooring because I do have to have flooring installed for him to put the stuff on. So I'm gonna start flooring this.
Just a man in his pump house.
Check it out.
Oh my gosh, you did the flooring.
Yeah.
Awesome, honey. Yeah.
I did it in 45 minutes.
Oh gosh, perfect.
Yeah.
This looks so good.
Yeah, I only used 2 boxes of flooring.
Cool.
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Yeah. You can order that one.
Thank you.
And that one. Hey, on that one. That one. No, he's that one.
Oh.
Like bounced him backwards.
Sorry, but that's falling down.
Oh, no, don't just throw tools. Even though that's probably what your dad does.
No, I don't.
You look guilty. We had a slow morning. We got up, we ate some breakfast sandwiches, watched Office episodes, and now we are off to Ace Hardware. What are we getting there?
I need staples so I can finish Tyvek in the pump house, and then if they have insulation, maybe I'll grab a little bit more of that.
Just a nice family drive to Ace, good old Ace Hardware. What do you have?
Baba.
Was that pretty funny?
Baba.
What'd you get at the store, Heath?
No.
What's in your hand? Oh, thanks, June. Did you get a dinosaur?
No.
No? Sure looks like it. Okay, baby's down for a nap. He's screaming in there. The fire is going. I scored this at a garage sale for 25 bucks, which I needed a double composter. And now we're gonna read or roast marshmallows?
Both.
Both? Okay. Turn around. I hardly even got you, hun.
Hank just needs... Hank, you just need to wear more clothes, honestly.
Yeah.
I don't.
Pants and a long sleeve.
Hey, nice, June.
Nice job, guys.
Thanks, guys.
It's like.
Okay, I better get back to work.
Oh no! He just flew off in there. Yeah. Yeah.
I said, what you roasting? June's roasting a picture she painted.
Now, I'm gonna do a video of a second picture.
Uh-oh. Shh, shh, shh. Hey, buddy.
Hey, baby, wake up.
Are you ready to get up?
Hey, come on, do you want to come see your surprise?
June, let him wake up a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to go see the racetrack that we set up for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, pumpkin. Did you
Come on,
have
kid.
did you have a good nap? Okay, let's go. Oh, mosquitoes. That girl's excited to show you. She's so silly. Keith, you're gonna love it. Are you excited?
No.
Can we take your binky out? Are you excited? You don't need a binky. You're a big boy. You're a big boy.
No.
No?
Baby in the hole.
Baby in the hole.
In the hole. In the hole. In the hole.
What is it?
Hey, look. Isn't that cool?
Our electrician cut a hole in one of our pipes. So Jordan has cut a hole out of our perfect sheetrock. So the plumber can come back and fix it. Sad. All right, it started raining and we're just kind of tired and dirty. So we are gonna head home. Jordan's kind of having some truck issues. So we're gonna head home and just kind of get some other stuff figured out and taken care of. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I think riding the motorcycle around and seeing Leonard and Piper was really fun.
Yeah. That was, yeah. My favorite was going to the beach with our friends.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
How about you, honey?
It was a great time all around. Pretty balanced. Work and play. Fun.
Car trouble.
Well, I'm a little stressed because I got car trouble.
Is that your favorite part?
No.
Oh, and garage sailing was fun too. But